Hi, I'm Sammy, from Fawziacademy. In this video, I will talk about how to save a PowerPoint slide presentation as a video. To run your presentation on computers that don't have PowerPoint installed, you can save your presentation as a video file. After you have created your slides, add transition and animation that you want to include, and recorded any timing and narration. An audio file you like. You are ready to create a video file. On the File menu, select Save to ensure all your recent work has been saved in PowerPoint presentation format. Click File, Export, Create a Video. In the first drop-down box under the Create a Video heading, select the video quality you want, which pertains to the resolution of the finished video. The higher the video quality, the larger the file size. Full HD large file size computer and HD screens. HD medium file size internet and DVD. Standard smallest file size portable devices. Click Create Video. In the File Name box, enter a file name for the video, browse for the folder that will contain this file, and then click Save. In the Save As Type box, choose either MPEG-4 video or Windows Media Video. You can track the progress of the video creation by looking at the status bar at the bottom of your screen. To play your newly created video, go to the designated folder location, and then double-click the file. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website fawziacademy.com.